Hey guys, it's Freely. So today's video is going to be about the GoPro Hero 7. I've been playing around with the Hero 7 for a while now, and I've been seeing a lot of videos pop up on YouTube talking about GoPro Hero 7 as like a vlogging camera, like an option for a vlogging camera and like vlogging setups and everything. So after seeing all that, I was curious, and so I actually went out and tried vlogging with the Hero 7, and that's what this video is about. So this is kind of like a real life test of that vlog capability of the Hero 7, if it's even good for vlogs. But also stay tuned for the end of the video where I give my thoughts and my experience using the camera. So stay tuned, if you want to see all that. But with all that said, yeah, here's the video. Alright guys, so today we're here in downtown San Antonio. We're here with Jared and Joshua. He's over there, but there's so much people. The reason why I'm making this video is to test out the vlogging on Hero 7, which I'm filming on right now. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. How's the audio sound? How's it look? Long time no see.
Yeah, long time no see.
When are you gonna release your next video?
When am I gonna? I don't know. I'll figure it out on my way back home.
Great. I wouldn't be a good interviewer, huh? Alright, so that hyperlapse you guys just saw took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes to make, because I kind of just walked and then kept walking forward. It seemed like the Riverwalk's too busy today, honestly. I've seen it where it's like this whole path right here would be so packed where it's hard to like push a stroller, but now you can fit like 20 strollers. It's not as busy for a Friday night as I thought. Jared, come here. Would you take a girl here for a first date?
Would I take a girl here for
like any of these restaurants here?
I think heck no. It's too expensive.
Oh yeah, that's true.
The first date is like primarily, the McDonald's value menu, and then from there you move on to the Jack in the Box menu, and then maybe
upgrade?
this is like the 10th or 11th date.
I guess, yeah. This would be like one of those date nights where it's like, hey, where we're going, somewhere special, and then you can like surprise it. So it's a no-go here for a first?
No.
More like a 12th or 13th?
I said 10th or 11th, but yeah.
Oh, okay, 10 or 11. Another part of this whole purpose of this video is to test out what the audio kind of sounds like in situations where it's kind of crowded. So obviously there's a lot of different noises around us, people talking, guitars. There's a boat right there.
People talking to guitars?
No, people talking.
You said
no.
People talking to guitars?
No, people talking and guitars.
Oh, okay.
All these different noises, and see how the GoPro is able to pick it up and see if it picks up your voice a little bit better. Hopefully this is testing, or the audio sounds really good. Sounds decent for vlogging. But how's my voice sound with all this chatter, chit chatter, the people, huh? How's it sound? This is those kind of situations, if you're vlogging, it would be really good to have a shotgun mic or any kind of like lapel mic. This kind of situation is kind of where it would be very useful. There's so much noise and you kind of want to isolate your voice. So how's the audio sound now? Sound good? Bad?
Bad?
I don't know.
I wasn't listening to the rest of what you were saying.
If you didn't know about the Riverwalk, not only is it good pictures, but you can ride those little boats right there.
We're on this side of the river.
But it's kind of expensive. So we've only gone on it twice. You only really need to go on it once, though. So this is an honest review of the Riverwalk. The water is always like this. Nice picture. So we walked to a part of the Riverwalk where kind of isn't the Riverwalk anymore. We're kind of like in the middle of the city. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Do that again! I've never seen you do that.
Did you get it on camera?
I think so. I hope I did.
Okay, now he's playing Pokemon Go.
Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh! Great throw with a curve. Alright.
I don't even know what to say to this.
Look, I got it.
Is that hard to do while walking?
Yeah, yeah. Especially if
Is it
you're
hard
walking.
to do while vlogging?
Yeah. That's why I gave the camera to you.
That's why you gave the camera to me.
That's why I gave the camera to you. These are the boats I talked about. Did I talk about them? Yeah. They just go around the entire place. And they have all of those little docks, like, all around the Riverwalk. Hi. See, one person said hi. One person? Because she's the only one who saw.
I told you, only one.
This is the main plaza of the Riverwalk. River Center Mall. So, really nice. It's especially really nice at night.
I'm gonna go walk with my car
Hey guys.
now. Stop growing up.
Hello. It's nice to see you guys again.
Nice to meet you again.
Oh no, look, I'm gonna say hi to these people. Oh look, they waved. They waved. See? I got 2 people to wave at me that time.
You got 2 people? I think I got like 3 people to wave at me and I don't have a camera.
They're just like, wow, look at that man.
Look at that one guy.
Look at him.
Just don't hurt yourself.
Oh, I don't know how you do it. That looks so cool. People staring now. Look what you guys see. So it's really starting to get really dark out. How's the low light look on the camera? All we have are these outdoor lights. You know, it's not fully dark yet, but this is kind of the situations you're gonna be in when you're vlogging. Typically, usually I would turn off the camera when it's dark because usually cameras just can't take it. But this is low light. This is a real life case of when you would be vlogging, or when at least I would be vlogging. So hopefully it looks good.
Thank you.
Yes. But now we're inside and it's bright. How'd the transition go? Was it high, so like bumped high and then like you drop low when we get in? I don't know. I haven't even looked at this footage yet. Only looked at the hyperlapses and all that. So you guys,
I think you're supposed to pretend that like in the video you've already seen this.
Oh.
Like, oh yeah, what you're going to see next is, and then you haven't even recorded it yet.
That's true. So I'm gonna finish off this vlog. We're actually on our way out, but I forgot to pay for the ticket, the parking garage ticket thingy. So I'll have to end it off here. Alright, so what did you guys think of that vlog? Did you think the vlogging quality was good? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. But overall, the footage straight out of the camera is really good. Compared to the Hero 5, the colors looked so much more vibrant on the Hero 7. Like the Hero 5 had a lot of like muddiness, like it got really muddy at some points, especially in the low light. Low light, they get really muddy, but then it seems like the Hero 7 didn't get as muddy as the Hero 5 from what I remember when I'd be using the Hero 5 for vlogging. The audio is okay. For me, I'd still go for like a shotgun mic or some kind of lapel mic to capture audio. But then overall, the audio was okay. It does a better job than the Hero 5 for sure. It's a great improvement, but still, you know, audio is okay. So the stabilization on top of the Hero 7 is one of the main like selling points of the camera. It does really well stabilizing your shot as you're walking and stuff. It almost looks like, you know, I had a gimbal in my hand, which is, you know, I mean, part of where they advertise. But I noticed that if you're using the camera constantly, I noticed that the stabilization kind of like just didn't work at some moments. I don't know if you saw in some of the footage, but I'll show some of the footage now. I didn't change any settings, but I noticed that the stabilization kind of just like disappeared, like it just stopped working in some segments. So the stabilization works like 80% of the time, which is I don't know, but when it does work, it looks amazing. And as for my experience actually using the camera and the overall UI and just using it in general, it's actually really good. In the beginning when I was using it, switching from different modes was really easy until the battery started running out. So when the battery starts running out, it seems like it takes a toll on the system as a whole. The camera actually froze on me twice. It happened once and I had to like pull the battery out because I physically turned it off, but the screen was still on. So I was like, okay, something's wrong. So I pulled the battery out, and that happened twice. I mean, I don't know if that's just like a software thing that they need to update, but then, that if you're vlogging and you have to pull out your battery mid-vlog, that's not very ideal. Overall, the experience is really great using the camera. It's just that little like freezing issue they have. I'm sure they can like fix it with an update, but we'll see when that happens. So those are my thoughts on the Hero 7. Just let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I think it's a great option for a vlogging camera. If you're just starting out and you don't have that much of a budget, the Hero 7 is a great choice. It has great stabilization, the audio is good, great picture quality. But overall, it's a great option, And if you're just starting out, go for it, man. Just go for it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos on the Hero 7, I'll link to my playlist in the description box below. And leave some suggestions below if you want to know anything about it, because, I've been using it so far. It's really great camera. Huge improvement over the Hero 5 I had. Didn't have the Hero 6, but, huge improvement from the jump from 5 to 7. I just want to say this real quick, but just recently we hit 200 subscribers, which is crazy because that's the most I've ever gotten on YouTube, and I just want to say thank you for all who subscribe, and I'll do my best to continue making videos and making content for you guys. So thank you guys so much. With all that said, hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave your comments below, and I'll catch you guys later.